You don't need 100 prompts to fix your AI workflows. You just need 5. And by the end of this video, you will already know how to use them all. You see, most of the people who are using AI today fall for this trap. You find a post that says, here are my 100 favorite prompts. You immediately save it and feel ready. A week later, you open the file, you cannot even remember which prompts were meant for what purposes. Half of them do not even match the workflows that you are using. So you immediately close that file and go back to typing plain in AI, just as before. The problem wasn't the number of prompts. The problem was that those prompts were meant for someone else's workflows, not yours. You never learned the thinking behind them. So today, I'm giving you 5 prompts sorted in 3 simple categories. Once you understand why each one works, you will notice you are already halfway to using them. Say you are writing a marketing plan. You ask AI to just write it. You get something generic, broad audience, safe tone, no real point of view. That is because AI answered a question you gave it, not the question you actually needed to ask. The Clarifier prompt comes in handy. Ask me 5 questions before you answer. What would make this more clearer? Now AI stops guessing. It asks who the audience is, what the goal is, what tone fits, what has already been tried, what the deadline looks like. You answer those 5 questions in 2 minutes. The plan that comes back actually sounds like your business, not a template. But here's the twist. Everyone assumes that a bigger prompt library fixes bad AI answers. What fixes it is making AI interview you fast. The fix was never more prompts, it was better questions. One more thinking prompt before we move on. Say you are about to send a client an email offering a big discount. Before you hit send, try the devil's advocate prompt. Here is my plan. Argue against it. What am I missing? AI might point out that you are cutting into your margin without protecting yourself, or that the client will now expect that discount every time. It is like having a sharp friend read your email before you send it. Use this one with anything that involves real money or real relationships on the line. Now let's say you finished a product update. You need to tell a client by email, post it on LinkedIn and tweet it. Is it exit? Normally that involves 3 separate documents written 3 separate times. Now here is where the translator prompts comes in handy. Rewrite this specific person who cares about this in this specific tone. 1 idea, 3 outputs. The client email is calm and detailed. The LinkedIn post is confident and short. The tweet is punchy. Same update, 3 audiences, the same prompt doing the translation for you. The next one is the compressor prompt. Now this one earns its keep the moment you have longer meetings to deal with. Say you just sat for a 45-minute call, you have the transcript. Test it and ask it these questions. Give me 3 key points, 1 decision needed and 1 risk. Now these numbers may vary depending on the type of meeting you are in, so you just need to understand. Instead of scrolling back through the 45 minutes talking, you get 4 lines to act on immediately. This works for long documents, not just transcripts. Now the last one, and this one is a guarantee to save you a lot of time in your AI workflows. Say you write client proposals every single month. Each one takes an hour because you start from a blank page every time. Use a builder prompt once, and this is how it goes. Create a reusable template for recurring tasks with placeholders based on this example. Feed it your best proposal. It hands back a template with placeholders dropped exactly where your client's name, price, and timeline goes. Now, every future proposal takes only 10 minutes, not an hour like before. Here is why this one is different from the other 4 that we mentioned earlier. Prompts 1 through 4 saves you minutes of tasks in front of you. This one removes tasks from your future entirely. Use it on anything you repeat 3 times or more. This can be proposals, onboarding emails, or video content scripts like this one. Now there you go. 5 prompts, 3 groups, Clarifier and Devil's Advocate to think better, Translator and Compressor to communicate faster, Builder to stop repeating yourself. You do not need to save all 5 of them today. Pick one and use once this week and you'll immediately feel the difference. If you like this kind of content, remember to share, subscribe, and see you later.